This is the Pride Mobility Quantum 6-Edge Ilevel. Ilevel, it has the 10-inch seat lift where it raises you up and you can be eye level with someone. So it's a Q6-Edge 2.0 Ilevel, fully loaded, 10-inch seat lift, electric tilt, electric recline, electric legs. Other features which we'll cover as we go along. But this one, all the features have to be worked through the joystick. So right now we're on speed number 2, right? It says P2. If I keep pushing this forward, I go to P3, one more time, P4, and the 5th time you're going to come to the picture of the seat. When I move this, you can see the color changing. So I'm just going to put it on the seat part of it. That's the seat lift. And I would move the joystick back, and now you've got your 10-inch seat lift going up. This is, and I forgot to mention, this chair has less than 1 mile. So it's as new as you're going to get. Less than 1 mile. This is your 10-inch seat lift. And Pride Mobility is one of the few companies, when the seat is elevated 10 inches, this chair will still drive at 3.5 miles an hour. So I'm going to put it in drive at speed number 4. And here I can't make it go fast, but you can see how it zips along in a circle. So that's the, and it has an automatic brake. When I let go, it brakes within a foot or 2. So this is your 10-inch seat lift. And you can see the armature on the seat lift is real nice. It's an X seat lift, so it goes up like this. I didn't do a really good job, did I? Okay? So you can see the armature here. So it's a real solid, quiet seat lift. When you're down, you're going to be about 22. When you're up right here, you're going to be about 32 inches. So add 10 inches. You've got 14-inch solid wheels, nice rims, caster wheels in the front, caster wheels in the back. Heavy-duty anchor points all the way around, 2 on this side, 2 on the opposite side. You've got a motor here. For each wheel, you have a motor. If I want to push this chair right now, first of all, the chair weighs 400 pounds the way it is right there, fully loaded. So if I want to push it, I would turn the power off, because you're always going to have resistance if you leave the power on. This disengages the motor, so push this down, and now the wheel is unlocked. Do both motors, and you can push the chair around. Remember, the chair weighs 400 pounds. If you got a 200-pound person that's 600 pounds, it's not going to be the easiest thing in the world, but you can roll it around. This puts it back in gear, and you're back in gear. So I'm going to put the power back on, and we're going to go back to the seating position, which I just skipped, and we're going to put the seat back down. The arms do flip up, so if you need to get in from the side, if you have a transfer board or you transfer from the side into your chair, it's nice to know that the arms do, on both sides, they flip up very easily. This is a swing away joystick. That joystick can be put on the right or it can transfer to the left. The next feature we're going to show you is the electric tilt. So this would be just the bottom going back. This is called the electric tilt. This is the second feature of the chair. And let's see how far back this is going to go. Whatever you see in the video, that's as far as it's going to go. So it's a full electric tilt on this one. This is the electric tilt. And now I'm going to do the electric legs. So these are the legs. These legs are adjustable. There's 2 screws right here. We can lengthen these posts out. If you're 6'2" or 5'2", we can adjust these. So these legs go up and then they go out. You'll see when they get up, all of a sudden they'll push out. Right there. So you get an extra couple, 3 inches when they push out. So your knees are not bent into the chair. Very, very nice electric legs. This is a good way to have circulation if you want some circulation. A little extreme, what I would do, if you're doing circulation, you want your legs higher than your body, you can do it probably with this much tilt. And you'd still be able to get circulation. So I'm going to bring the seat all the way down. And the last function is the electric tilt. The electric recline. The electric recline is just the back going back by itself. So this is the back electrically dropping down. I'm going to raise the arm so you can see it going down. So if you were laying down flat with this chair, this is what you would look like. That's as far as it goes down. So this would be your laying position right there. Okay. I'm going to bring the seat back up. That was your electric recline. Okay. Another thing about this chair, it has a Roho cushion. This is the most expensive cushion you can get. It's an air cushion. It comes with a pump. you can pump air in this cushion and make the air pockets as soft or as hard as you want. I'm going to bring the legs back down. Then we're going to turn the chair around and start talking about the seat and the other features of the chair. If you're outside, keep your legs out. Probably, you'll see when I drive it outside. I like to keep them about that far out. It gives you more room from the ground to your legs. I'm going to put it back in drive, turn the seat around. This is your Roho cushion right here. It's an air cushion. You can put any cushion you want on here. The seat right now is 20 inches, really 20 by 20. You know, that's what the seat is. We can adjust these seats to your size, whatever you need. If you need it smaller or bigger, we can do it. As I said, both arms do go up. The headrest in the back is fully adjustable. As you can see, the adjustments right here, and it's removable. You can see the Q6 edge suspension in the back. We have the same suspension in the front. On both sides, you have the same suspension in the front. So that's why the Q6 edge, the suspension is phenomenal. Very, very nice suspension. This chair will travel 6 miles an hour outside, and it has a super great suspension, if that's how you say it. When you charge it, plug your charger right here, and as soon as the light turns green, the charger will stop charging. You don't have to worry about overcharging your chair. The charger knows when the batteries are full. When the batteries are full and they're new, you're going to be able to get about 13 miles on a battery charge. That all depends, again, what kind of surface you're on. If you're going uphill, if you're in the dirt, you're not going to get as many miles, okay? So every user has different distance. But with new batteries on flat surfaces, you'll be able to use this chair all day long, get about 13 miles on a battery charge. So again, to recap on this power chair has less than 1 mile, fully loaded Q6 edge, Ilevel. It has the 10-inch seat lift, the electric tilt, the electric recline, the electric leg, the swing away joystick, the adjustable arms, the Roho cushion. All the manuals and the pumps are here for this chair. Has a safety belt right here on the seat. Fully loaded. And the legs also come in all the way in under the chair. My fellas, do that right now so we don't leave anything out. When you bring your legs and you're inside the house and you want to get out from the front, bring them in. When they're all the way in, then this can be flipped up, and you can see there's not a whole lot in front of you in your way. So, beautiful chair with less than 1 mile, and it's ready to go. Such smooth chairs. I love these chairs. This is the Quantum 6 Edge 2.0 Ilevel, fully loaded. As you can see, when it's on concrete, it's like you're on air. Now in the grass, I was going full speed, 5 miles an hour. It's pretty rough out there, but you can see the suspension. I wanted you to see the suspension in the grass. My grass is rough on purpose, so you can see the suspension on the chairs, but no problem in the grass. Great, great suspension, great ride. 6.1 miles an hour this chair will go. That's what the meter read when I was going through. 6.1 miles an hour. New condition. Beautiful chair.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.